Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to turn on backup on Google Photos. For these settings, you have to open your Google Photos application on your device. Here you can see your Photos application, click to Photos. Then click to Allow. Then you can see here, click here. After clicking here, you can see here, turn on backup or photo settings. Click to Photo Settings. Then here you can see backup option. Turn it on. After turning on, the photos will be backup on your Gmail account. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.